Number 3, not all coughs need suppressing. There are 2 types of cough. Dry cough. Suppressants may help with dry cough. Chest and the phlegm cough. That one that you need to cough out and the sputum. Suppressing it can trap mucus inside your lungs and worsen infection. Now, dear mother of young children, pay attention to this. It's not every cough your child has that you have to suppress with cough syrups, with suppressants. Suppressing it can be dangerous. Number 4, children are at higher risk giving them adult cough syrup. Many mothers don't even check whether this cough syrup is for adults or for children. Some ingredients are not recommended for young kids at all. Some ingredients in that cough syrup. Always use age-appropriate formulas and correct measurements, and not that kitchen spoon. You see that kitchen spoon, that massive spoon you use to cook soup that you're using to give your children cough syrup. It can be dangerous. More importantly, read labels. Read the ingredients. Check whether this cough syrup is okay for children. Check whether it is for dry cough or for wet cough. Check whether it is for cough that needs to be suppressed. They have suppressants and expectorants. Number 5, there are hidden side effects when you use cough syrup for many days without improvement. It can be hiding another problem like asthma, pneumonia, acid reflux, or medication reaction. Now, if that cough lasts more than 2 to 3 weeks, please go to hospital. Safe rules. Read active ingredients of every cough syrup. Measure the exact dose. Please don't give 1 spoon and say, let me give more half so that it will work very well. Don't mix cough syrup with alcohol. Don't combine similar medicines. Don't mix cough syrup with sedative, sleep aid, because already cough syrups contain sedatives. Medicine helps when used correctly, but careless use can harm your liver, kidney, and major internal organs. Check the bottle. Check that cough syrup in your cabinet now before your next dose. If you found this helpful, you know what to do. Share, like, comment, and follow for more.